Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's Learn with PosterMyWall. Today, our special guest is Chad Bogan, who is Director of Sales and Marketing at NoviSign, and he's going to show us how to create and run beautiful digital signage with NoviSign. One of the things that people tell us often is that they're thinking about having digital displays in their restaurants or bars or auto mechanic shops, in their business, in their schools, and in their office building, but they're not sure that they'd be able to make enough content quickly enough and affordably enough to keep it going. So today, if that's something that you struggle with, we have the answer. We are going to show you some great ideas of how to make dynamic digital signage content with PosterMyWall. So it's fast, it's inexpensive, and you can do it entirely in-house. And then Chad is going to show you how NoviSign integrates with PosterMyWall so that you can actually open up NoviSign, create your content in PosterMyWall, and upload it pretty much painlessly, just in a matter of minutes. So you can do that totally in-house too. And if you stay for today's whole class, we're going to share a bonus link, some content. I'm going to give you the links directly to all of the templates that I'm going to share in class. So you can go back and pull those templates without having to search for them. There is also going to be an offer from NoviSign and other goodies. But first, tell us who's here, where you're from, and do you have any challenges related to digital signage? We'd like to know, do you have problems with space, cost, content? What is the thing that makes it difficult for you, or the thing you would like to streamline about your digital signage? So I'm here in Atlanta, Georgia. Audrey and Susie are in the Bay Area, and Chad is in Wisconsin, where it is already fall. So quick reminder, if you have any questions for Chad or for PosterMyWall, put them in the comments. We'll be looking back at them later today. So if we don't answer you live, we will answer you today. And this video will stay on our Facebook page. So you can come back and look whenever you'd like. We'll also put a copy on YouTube and on our Gradient blog. So Audrey, do we have any questions or shout outs before we get started?
No questions. Bunch of people coming in saying hi, and that they're ready to see what's going on.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So to get things started, I'm going to share 9 ideas of what you can do with your digital signage. So give me a second. I've got to reshare my screen. All right. So what can you put on your digital signage? What kind of content can you make with PosterMyWall? Okay, so number 1, obviously menus. I've got all of these are video templates because obviously if you have digital signage, you want to take advantage of video. And of course, you can always upload your own clips, or you can use the stock images that we've got provided. I also want to bring up the point that menus are not limited to bars and restaurants, right? Every business has some sort of a menu, a list of services, a price list. So we have the example of a car wash. So any kind of business can put their menu or their price list. This one I want to show you, we have a new feature. I don't know how many of you have discovered it. Let us know in the comments if you have. But we have a new slideshow feature where it's very similar to our animated text. You can also animate photos or video. So if you want to have a video change out, let me push play. If you want to have the video change out, you can. So you can see we have Hamburger Monday on the right and the menu on the left, and the menu stays in place, but now we have Taco Tuesday. So you can rotate the copy and the videos on your templates, and we'll teach a class on that. Let us know if you'd be interested in a class on that, and we will get that on the schedule. Number 2, specials and promotions, right? So, are you doing a 2-for-1 deal? Do you have a special dish of the day? That's a wonderful thing to promote on your digital signage. Got a couple other examples here. Today's specials, and every kind of business, right? Spas, dentists, everybody might have some kind of a special. So, promote it on your digital signage. You can also use your digital signage to upsell, glamorize, or show what's new. So if you had a new menu item, a new service, example of a salon that might be, trying to promote gel polish, which is a little bit more expensive than the regular polish. Or, if you're a restaurant, you might want to show off desserts. Or if you're a bar, you might want to show a specialty drinks, something that makes your product or service or food you're serving just look too good to say no to. Number 4 is ambiance, right? You can show a seasonal video, like a fall scene, or something that's behind the scenes at your establishment, or maybe just something that shows the mood of your if you have, this is for like a wine bar, you could show this. You could show a restaurant kitchen, even an auto mechanic, right? You can show somebody, putting on a new muffler, something that kind of a video that just shows what your business is all about. Number 5 is promote events. So you might have bars, concerts, or you might have it might be a bake sale, right? Anything that you've got coming up, back to school night, digital signage is a great way to promote it. And here again, we've used the slideshow feature, so you can see that the videos of the performers are rotating. So we've got the schedule for all the music events coming up, and then each performer gets a little highlight video. So that is a cool new feature. If you support local organizations, you can showcase that. I mean, maybe you support the Girl Scouts, maybe there's a community fundraising event that you're participating in. Anything you're doing to support your community, you can show off on your digital signage. And you can also, solicit additional support for those organizations. 7 is share schedules, right? You could do football games. You could do when the class plays are going to be. You can share things for local sports teams or local organizations. Any kind of schedule, easy to show off on your digital signage. Trivia games and quizzes. Now, this could be something that you just run so that when people are waiting, when they're waiting in your waiting room, or waiting for your service or waiting for their table, they can do this on their own. Or you could even do this with a MC and turn it into a game. And you can see this one actually has the questions and the answers on one combined video. So that's something that, again, you can do with a host or facilitator as a big event, or something that you could run for your organization, just run and have people who are your customers doing on their own, something to pass the time. Recognize customers and employees. It's your customers like to see who your employees are, and your customers like to see their own name up in lights. Bittersweet that. But if it's a frequent customer's anniversary or birthday or something, they love to see their name or their photo or both. So use your digital signage to recognize the people who are important to your business. So that was number 9. Audrey, do we have any questions?
No, but we do have interest, that slideshow feature. They'd love to learn more about that in a later class.
Okay, we'll do that. And also, when I give the bonus content, you can click on the templates where we used it, and then you can kind of reverse engineer them, or you can change or use those as templates and change them for what your own uses. So you can go ahead and get started on that right away. All right, so now that we've given some thought to what's going to go on our digital display, Chad is going to demonstrate how NoviSign's interface with PosterMyWall makes it fast and easy to load and play your content. NoviSign is PosterMyWall's newest digital signage partner, and the company believes that digital signage should be easy to use, and they support systems from 200 to 500 screens, and is currently serves customer base of 50,000 screens worldwide. We hope that Chad's demo will help you decide if now is the time to purchase a digital display for your business. And again, if you stay till the end, we will have the bonus content, including a link to a free 30-day trial of NoviSign so you can see if it's something that will work for you. All right, Chad, go ahead and share your screen and it's all yours.
Thank you, Lisa. My name is Chad, and I'm with NoviSign. And in short, we're a cloud-based digital signage software platform. And what that means is using your computer and any TV, you will be able to remotely update, edit, and manage the content, right, that is being displayed on your screen. To get started, we're here on our website, which is NoviSign.com. In the upper right, we've got two buttons. The first one says Login. So this is going to be the button that you click and access from any computer, laptop, or PC, Mac, to get to your content. We do also have a free 30-day trial that you can sign up for. It's a no strings attached, no credit card needed trial. So you can definitely, after this, sign up and work with the system and PosterMyWall widget that we have. To get started, I'm going to hit the login button. And this takes us to the dashboard. And basically the dashboard itself is going to be where you put together your content. We have it broken into three parts. Upper left, it says creatives, then it says playlists and screens. So in the creative section, this is going to be where all your templates live, right? So if you needed to update, say, a menu, add an announcement, put some type of weather feed update, what have you, you're going to do this in the creative section, okay? So to get started, I'm going to hit create from template. And this takes us to a full library of templates that we have. You could build something from scratch or work from one of the pre-made options. If you're going to be putting something in portrait, we have the option of switching it to portrait. As far as creating something new, I'm going to hit the start with fresh blank. So it's an empty blank canvas. On the left are your widgets. And then on the right here are going to be the properties. So let's say, for example, I wanted to start with changing the background. So I'm going to change it here to a simple gray. And then on the left, we have the widgets. As far as the PosterMyWall integration, how that works is going to be, you can import directly your files, your templates that you've made in PosterMyWall right into NoviSign, and I'll show you how to do that now. So let's say we wanted to do a slideshow of rotating different pieces, templates, okay? So on the left, we have the slideshow widget. I'm going to drag that over, adjust it however big we want. So if I want the slide to be here, I'm going to adjust it, right? Then on the right, we have properties. So if I click the camera icon, then we've got the option here where it says on the left, PosterMyWall. And I'm going to select upload media. And you can define what it is. So in this sense, it's going to be an image. If you wanted to pick the size template, meaning in the pixels, however big you want, you just define it and then hit start design. And in this interface here, it opens up the PosterMyWall, the design studio that they have. And you can browse through it, find what you want. So in this situation, let's just do, we'll do a healthcare. So you can select, click it, customize it. So the nice thing is you don't have to exit out of NoviSign or open up another tab. The PosterMyWall Studio is built in here natively, and you can adjust everything just as if you're using it in the PosterMyWall website. So after you've made your adjustments, edited it, update it, you can save it, and everything that you save will automatically update in our gallery. So there it is. It's really seamless and easy. If you wanted to do another one, you'd simply click on the PosterMyWall, hit the upload media. You can define what it is, make your design. So literally within seconds, you can put together what you want using their interface, customize it, edit it, however it needs to be done, okay? And then once save, again, it will import to our library natively. All of the files that you import from PosterMyWall will be saved in our cloud. So if at any point you need to access them, you'd simply log in, you'd open up our library here, click on PosterMyWall, and you'll have your media assets here. To add them to our slideshow, you'd simply click on the ones that you want to add. Upper right, it says add to creative, and there they are. Once they're listed, you can see them here on the right, it says properties. So you can adjust how long you want each piece to play. So I'm setting it for 3 seconds. And so now I've got the PosterMyWall content playing in this zone. And then if you wanted to build other things around it, you can as well. So let's say, for example, I wanted to add a ticker. I'm going to click and drag my ticker over. Then I can adjust the font, the size, the color, everything. That's one nice thing with our system is every single component is customizable. So you have complete control over how long it plays, what it is, the look, the feel, everything. Same thing with this, the PosterMyWall contents. You can resize it. Very simple. And then maybe we want to do a video. So I'm going to click on the left here, where video widget, adjust it the size I need. And in this situation, we can pull it from PosterMyWall as well. So on the right, open media. On the left, PosterMyWall. And then again, you can hit the upload. Here it says design type video, hit start design. And then we'll find the design of our choice that we want to upload. Let's just do this one, for example. We'll do golf, customize. Here's our video clip. Let's, we'll name, we could change it, move it, what have you, but for now we'll just hit save. And it's uploading it in the format of the video. Takes a couple of seconds. And again, the nice thing is once you have your files uploaded to our cloud, it automatically will save and you can access them at any given point in the future. So if you've created a whole stockpile of things and you need to flip flop and change them, you can access everything from here and you won't have to log into multiple different platforms. So now we've made in the PosterMyWall. I'm going to hit add. And then if I hit preview, we've got our ticker here on the bottom, okay? And then there's going to be the two videos that, the slideshow and the videos that we imported from the PosterMyWall. So basically in this preview piece, it just kind of shows you a snippet of what it is, how it's going to look on the screen itself. And notice on the left, it's got the two images that are rotating through, and then it's got the video ad that was made in PosterMyWall playing on the right. So in general, as you can see, it's a very intuitive, easy to put together. And the nice thing is it's a true free-form, design tool. So you can really customize the look and feel. You can include other elements, other widgets into it. So if you're wanting to have, say, weather, news, videos, tickers, stuff like that, it's all available. Very straightforward, easy to do. And if you want to try it out yourself, you can definitely go to our website and try it out. So it's NoviSign.com, and then you can hit the free 30-day trial, sign up for it. No credit cards are needed. And once you're up and running, you can start sending your content information to any TV or screen. So that's it in a nutshell. Any questions at all from anyone?
Sorry about that, Chad. So one of our viewers just wanted to confirm the time frame for the trial. It is 30 days, correct?
Yeah, it's a full 30 days. We're one of the few companies that offers a full 30-day trial. A lot of them will do 7 days. So it's a full 30-day trial. The training support's included also. So if you wanted a quick demo to see how it works, have questions, we can always help you out. That's included for free also. But yes, it's full 30-day trial, no strings attached, no credit card needed. Just enter in your name and email and you can start creating content with NoviSign and PosterMyWall.
Thanks, Chad.
Any other questions?
All right, so Audrey will watch and see if any more questions come in. In the meantime, I'm gonna share my screen again and share the closing slide and the bonus content with you. All right, so I want to show off this bonus content. So Audrey's going to put a link in the chat, and if you click that link, you'll get to this landing page inside of PosterMyWall, and you can see that here's the link to get your 30-day trial of NoviSign. And as I promised, these are links to all of the templates we showed today. If you're interested in learning to use that slideshow feature, you can come over here to the Hamburger Monday and click on that and reverse engineer it. If you click on that video, you'll see on the right where you would add more videos or also photos. It doesn't all have to be videos. Also, we added as an extra bonus some links to templates we like for vertical digital signage. We know that not everybody needs horizontal. And this Posternight also uses that slideshow feature. So if you go in there and link on it and play the template, you'll see that it changes, the images change from this to a fork twirling some pasta to some fettuccine noodles. So that's another one where you can play with the new slideshow feature. The class replay will be live up here. Give us 24 hours to process that. And then we've got some other classes that we thought you might like. So please do take the link and visit the bonus content. And today's offer, okay, you can save 30% on a premium subscription to PosterMyWall or an update. Use the code NoviSign30. And just so you know, we now have a 30-day option for premium or premium plus 2. So you don't have to do a whole quarter. You can do a 30-day subscription. And that offer is good for the first 200 people, and it is good until, let me see, September 29th. Audrey's also going to add the link to the chat to the free 30-day trial of NoviSign, so that if you just want to click right to that, you can do that. Audrey, any other questions, comments?
Nope, we're good right now.
Okay, excellent. So if anybody thinks of anything else you want to know, put it in the comments and we will get back to you. And please share this video with anybody that you think might be interested in learning more about digital signage. Thank you, Audrey and Susie, and thank you so much, Chad. That is it for today. Oh, one more thing. Next week, we're going to have Monica Farber back, and she is going to give some great tips for shooting your own video. Again, if you're doing digital signage, you want to be able to shoot some of your own video to put on there, and Monica's tips will help you learn to do it really well, really easily yourself, have great results. So please do come back next week. That's it for today. Thank you again, and we'll see you next week.